Hi guys, and welcome back to another Canva video. Today is a little bit different. We're going to be taking this new pack from Lou, which is an author promo pack, and downloading this. This is one she sent me on Dropbox, but you guys will need to go to Creative Fabrica to download it from Lou's shop. The link will be in the description below. And she's planning on doing one of these for every one of the characters she's created. So if you have used one of her characters in a book, these are perfect to go and download your version to do this. Now I'm going to take the card and envelope from the pack and download those PDFs and show you how they can be customized to suit your book. Okay, so once you've downloaded it, they'll come in a zipped file. You need to extract all to wherever you can find them again, and there you go, you'll have your extracted files. Now you want to go onto Canva and you want to click on the document template. That's where you want to go, and then without doing anything to the template, you want to go to uploads and upload those files that you just took. So I'm going to upload all three of those. These are just the card and envelope ones. And then once they've uploaded, you come out of that, go back to the home page, and they should be there as brand new documents. So I'm going to open the card one here, which is very cute. This is her little toddler girl. Now if you've used this for your book, this is relatively straightforward. You add a text box, you add in the name of your book and the font that you used for your book and the style that you used for your book. You can edit it in any way, turn it sideways, resize it, and place it on your image. Now these are customizable in so many ways. You can add your title of your book, you can add your author name. I'm just going to add a fake title here and Lilene and Lou as the author, just to show you. You can put them anywhere on this page. And this is how simple it is to add your book title to any of the printouts that Lou has designed for you. You can add them to even the tags. I accidentally moved the template there. You want to make sure you don't move around any of the elements that were already on the PDF like I just did. Now with this, you can also add your logo on the back of the card. She's got a nice big blank card here. You could add pattern to the back of the card, as long as you keep them within those 4 lines, so when you cut it out. Now you download these as PDF print, which is best for printing, and you flatten the PDF and download that. That will make it print ready. You just go and click print on your PDF in the best color possible for your printer, and do it on cardstock. These are great little cards on cardstock. Now as you can see, this one also comes with an envelope. You will print the envelope on thinner paper. What I like to do is I like to print my envelopes on craft paper that's patterned, but I'll do it on the reverse so the inside will be patterned. And she gives you this extra sheet. This girl here is the same as the card, so you can cut her out and make her 3D. And these two can be copied and pasted to other parts of your elements. Like you could create your little logo with her on the back of the card. You could stick her on other parts of the cards. That's pretty much the first 3. I'm going to be making videos on these actually printed out and assembling them to show you exactly how the envelope is put together and how to make your cards look great. And we'll be breaking these up into a series of each of those files in that download in this pack. We're going to do videos on every one of them, customizing them a little bit, cutting them out and making them on camera so you can see how they go together. And this one especially is a really great author promo pack. This is the one that I used to make for my fans. It has little flags, rosette, bookmarks. I'm going to show you in another video how to assemble all of those. And if you prefer just to do some art, I too have a stationery pack that you can download. This is from one of my own paintings. This is a very similar pack to Lou's, but instead of being a storybook one, this is just a generic one for making a gift set if you want to give someone a special gift. All the links to our Creative Fabricas will be down below for these packs, and we will see you in the next video. Don't forget to follow us on there. Don't forget to leave comments below and tell us what you think of this new little series of videos that we're putting together to create these author promo ideas.